Do a Nerf rival. Here's my gun. There's his gun. There's his gun. And there's his gun. So let's get started. So guys, I'm hiding right here. 3, 2, 1. They're right there. I have to reload. What time? Let me reload. Wanna hold? Here, hold it.
You can't see that?
No, I mean reload. No, I have to like do this. Now get my bullet. Wait. Riley, you grabbing me?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, this.
Here, get.
Be the force made with you. Is it paused?
No.
Oh God, that was Maxie.
Oh God.
That was me that hit your leg.
Oh crap.
Ah.
God damn it.
Thanks, Chewy.
Okay.
Wait. So guys.
Oh,
This guy is.
You know what?
So guys, I have lost my bullets right now. As you can see, Bradley is he's being so nice. He's putting some more bullets for me. Here's Chewy. Hello, Chewy. Say hello to the world.
Hello, no, I'm shooting you.
Hello, Kaden. Hello, everybody. Hello, Chris, if you're seeing this video. Hello, Chris. Hello, Caillou. I saw all your videos. I even saw the rock, paper, scissors. Oh, and you won, Chris. I saw you won. And Caillou got the pie on his face. Ha, ha, ha. Please leave a like for this video. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe. And if we reach 5,000 comments, I might give away some Pokemon cards, Pokemon Sun and Moon with the 3DS included, and maybe actually my Wii U. So let's get. So guys,
as you know, we're hiding
Here
from
again.
the other ones. We're hiding from the other ones, and as you know, we told them to count to 30. Wait, they're almost done. They're almost done. They're close to us.
Sorry again.
Vivian, go.
You know they're here.
Shoot. Come. Guys, I have to. Wait, Guys, we're back. Come on, let's go.
Oh, there's someone there.
Please. I don't have any more bullets, guys. They all ran out. Hold the guys. I will come right back.
Dude, you put everything on.
What? Here.
Oh wait.
So guys, I'm sorry that it was blurry for a second. So we cleaned it. So come on, let's get started. God, this is a horrible place.
Yeah, dude. We're gonna be hunted.
They're coming. And this is a little hard to hide.
He's right there.
I don't know.
Oh, he missed.
Chewy did a shot.
No, yeah, it's shot.
So you missed.
Wait, for real?
Yeah, dude, get here.
Why are you hoarding me? Wait, why did you do it in his butt? Not me, dude.
Dude, get the bullet.
Did a shot?
It went back in, Max.
Did a shot.
No.
Wait, shoot it again, dude. He's right there. Let's just
No,
run.
we can't shoot Max.
Let's run, dude.
No, I need to find the bullet.
There, yeah, I put it.
Go. Wait, we're going to the garden, guys. Okay?
If we could, because then they're gonna shoot us and kill us.
Yeah.
Like right now. Okay. I'm in the garden. Oh crap! I see. Okay. You're here. Okay. Good. Okay.
So guys, I forgot to tell you this is his new house, Brian's house. Are you back? Doesn't have Alan anymore. Alan, wait. Alan, if you're seeing this video, just to tell you, we miss you.
Okay.
If you're so strange, plus we ate all the turbo.
Oh, it's coming back. Oh, that got me. I responded. Let's go, 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 go.
Wait, what?
They're gonna shoot us. Yeah, dude.
Hey! Oh wait, tell your dad he's actually ordering pizza.
Oh yeah, dude. For Frico.
Wait,
Dude.
You guys were looking for
Dun,
if
dun,
you
dun,
look for
dun.
Golden, then fight. Then you're done.
21, 22, 36.
Wait,
So guys, at the end, we're gonna, for our victory celebration, we're gonna eat pizza. We're gonna show you.
Yeah, but
I
the
promise.
man was not gonna come here. We're
Where?
gonna pick it up.
Oh God! So guys,
Alright.
so this video's the Nerf thing is gonna be only in 10 minutes, and for the extra 3 minutes, we're gonna go pick it up, then come and eat it. So fuck that shit. Let's pause. Pause. We have to pause.
Okay, the food keeps on getting out.
Oh,
Whatever.
he's a force made with you. Damn, wait! You saw that guy?
No.
Bullet went up in the sky.
You can't go that far.
Found a bullet.
I need my bullet.
I found a bullet.
I need my bullets. Oh.
Here.
Guys, good news. We found all of our bullets, and
No sexually.
so guys, we're gonna search for Braille's bullet screen. So we will come back when we find this. So check it out. What's up, pranksters? Oh, just to tell you, I'm gonna make more videos, but I'm gonna have this time a mask with sunglasses. So if you don't know, just leave a comment down below. Sneak peek, guys. Here's Braille's new house. We're seeing a weird movie. Sneak peek trophy. Says that. Bye bye.
1 hour later.
Slash 1 hour later. So guys, come. So guys, come. Okay, whatever. Guys, we're not gonna play Nerf rival anymore, are we?
Yes.
Okay. So I don't know what's Cedric doing. Do you want to play on it?
No.
Oh, man.
Okay. So what do you want to do with the big bad boy?
It'll slap you, but
What do you want to? Hey guys, look at this thing. Look at this thing, bro. Look at this thing. Look at that thing. I'm a hey man. I am a fans classic man. Oh God, Braille.
Should we play some?
Yeah, sure.
So what should we play?
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a big fat thumbs up. I hope you enjoy. Leave a comment down below, subscribe, and see you next time.